Seeing these two different vantage points as a kid always intrigued me. Now that I've came into consciousness, I understand that external forces can reflect your inner world. Is your vision based on other people's thinking?
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Is your vision based on other people's thinking?
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
See me coming.
When I was a kid, I had a stigma on me. I was in Miss Jones's 8th grade science class, and I would act out from time to time. I wouldn't go overboard, but I had a tendency to push Miss Jones' buttons from time to time. Miss Jones placed a stigma on me, calling me bad. She used to always say, "You are a terrible student. Your behavior is horrible, Mr. Wise."
Okay.
The very next period, I had Ms. Melton. Ms. Melton's 8th grade math class. Ms. Melton used to spring encouragement into me. I would still try to give Ms. Melton some pushback, but she desensitized me with some positive words. "Oh, Mr. Wise, you're really brilliant." "Oh, good one, Mr. Wise. Now let's see how you can move these numbers like you move the crowd." She used to kill me with kindness to the point where I became a completely different student in her class. So much so that on my report card, I would have an E in math and a U in science. Ain't that a bitch? Now, I'm the ultimate scientist. The ultimate observer, sitting on top of the world.
Knock, knock!
Seeing these two different vantage points as a kid always intrigued me. Now that I've came into consciousness, I understand that external forces can reflect your inner world. Is your vision based on other people's thinking? This is the way of the world. This is the way of 99% of the population. The other 1% is called, that's right, you got it, a chaos being. The key is, and the trick to the game, is going within and stirring all your power from within. This is how you manipulate your external world. This is how you rule the matrix. You can consciously choose what to accept into your subconscious, your spirit. It's up to you to accept it mentally, whether it's for you or against you. What are you willing to accept?
Message!
Someone told you who you are and you accepted it. What if you tell yourself who you are? What you say you are, you become. Your vision is not determined by others. It's determined by you. Your vision is not determined by others. It's determined by you. Your vision is not determined by others. It's determined by you.
Why you bullying me?
Don't get caught in the rat race. on the hamster wheel, never getting the cheese. Being caught in the rat race is the trick of the ego, letting outside forces dictate your world. When we reflect and visualize our greatest versions of ourselves, then the outside world has no choice but to mirror that effect. Thoughts drive your emotions, and your emotions drive your stimuli to things happening in your life. Whether positive or negative, good or bad, your genie in the lamp is going to give you your wish desired. When we say we're a chaos being, we're placing the potentiality on our ability to manifest from within. You're conscious of your inner world and understanding of your outer world being a reflection of within. You're talking to a person that likes to bring drama and messiness your way. You should first ask yourself, okay, why am I reflecting this kind of energy? What part of me likes the mess, the drama, or the hating frequency that this person is exuding to me? If you have your inner world in alignment, mess won't even come your way. Even with the person that quote unquote is messy, their reflection will come a whole nother route. They'll be either removed from your life, or they'll start coming with positive energy because you're exuding that energy. If not, then the reflection will take that person out of your alignment. Don Miguel Ruiz, The 4 Agreements. Be impeccable with your words. Don't take anything personal. Don't make assumptions. Always do your best. This means that when you're doing your best at changing your reflection that's been programmed into you from trauma, outside forces, and your mama, you'll lean toward being impeccable with your words. Not judge people on their biases about the world and you, and then realize everyone has their own unique vantage point of how they see the world. Not right or wrong, good or bad, but the ultimate observer, the one who has no rat in this race, and the one who's filled with chaos in the blood. Dream wise.